Good evening, everyone. My name is Geoffrey Maswetinya Kangora. I'm a graduate architect and a graduate student here at MIT. I'm representing Buildex, and Buildex was inspired by this. When I was living in California, I was staying with two lovely grandparents. These grandparents were renovating their home. They invited a general contractor to help them with the project. And unfortunately, this general contractor ended up taking advantage of them. And he made a complete mess of everything. The project went well above the agreed upon time, cost, and materials. And as you can see at the end, they ended up spending around $720 per square foot. To give context to this, the state average for California is around $202 per square foot. And this is a problem that is very prevalent throughout the United States. This was a video that recently went viral of a general contractor who ended up smashing a bathroom he had renovated because he had a pay dispute with the client. And unfortunately, the general contractor ended up going to jail. And this is something that could be avoided. The three biggest pain points for home renovators in the US are difficulty in visualizing how their spaces will appear, difficulty in keeping track of costs and materials, and difficulty in finding contractors who are reliable and who have a proven track record. This is our problem statement. The home renovation process is a nightmare for most homeowners. Most homeowners will end up using more money, materials, and time than they anticipated, and will unlikely get what they want. It is a problem that affects hundreds of millions of homeowners every single year. And the statistics prove that around 100 million Americans reported that the projects went well above the agreed upon budget. The EPA records that around 132 million tons of waste are recorded from home renovation projects. And 50% of homeowners said that the projects went above the agreed upon timelines. And that's where our solution comes in. Buildex is an application that enables single family homeowners looking to renovate their homes to design and get accurate costing using the power of AI and lidar, and connects them with better contractors in their vicinity. This is how it works. You scan your room, you get a virtual model of that room that is incredibly accurate. From that virtual model, with extremely accurate measurements and cost projections, you can then put it on a marketplace where better contractors bid for your project. And you also get a chance to see what they've done. You can see whether they're insurance compliant and they have a business license. And once you're happy with them, you can agree to accept their bid. You set a tentative timeline. And then through the comfort of Buildex, you can maintain a ledger of all transaction costs and materials and see which subcontractors have been hired to work on your project. The business model is this, that contractors pay a subscription fee monthly to continue to use our service. The market has been growing tremendously year on year. It took a small dip in 2020, but it's been growing by 10% every single year. Buildex has a unique competitive advantage in that it's the only cost estimation tool that uses the power of AI and lidar. We have a very strong team. I'm a graduate architect. Cheng is also a graduate architect with a background in data science, and Kwabena is a mechanical engineer and software engineer. We have a strong team of advisors: Douglas Leone, who is the former chairman of Sequoia; John Jarvie, who is the former chairman of Menlo Ventures; and Dave Blunden, who is the current chair of Link Ventures. We're participating in MIT PKG Ideas, the 100K, the NSF Bicorps, and a few other competitions. And we hope to continue to grow within the next couple of months. We're currently building an MVP, and we're set to finalize it by July and have a full product launch by end of 2024. Join us as we try to solve this problem together. Thank you.